back to my channel, and in this video I will teach you chapter 2 decimals and fraction. We will do exercise 2.1 of NCERT and we will do question number 7 of in this video, and we have already completed question number 1 to question number 6. And if you have not watched those questions, you can go to my channel and go to the playlist of my channel, and there you will find the playlist of class 7th NCERT solution, and you will find each and every question. So let's start this video. In this question, there is a girl, that is Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple, and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. Ritu ate 3/5 part of apple, and remaining part was eaten by his brother, that is Somu. We have to find out how much part of an apple did Somu eat, and who had the larger share and by how much. We have to find out the Somu share, and we have to find out who ate the larger share and how much. So let's start this solution. Ritu share is 3/5 and Somu share would be, because the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. So the total apple is 1. How we will find out the Somu share? We have to minus 3/5 from 1. 1 is the apple. 1 is the total 1 apple, and Somu ate and Ritu ate 3/5. So Somu ate 1 minus means total minus Ritu share. Means total is 1. Total minus Ritu share. We will find out the Somu share. That is, we have to take the LCM of 5 and 1, because we can write 1 as 1/1. So we will take the LCM of 5 and 1. We will get the answer 5. Here I will put the 5 here, and I will divide this 5 by this 1, and I will get the answer 5, and this 5 should be multiplied by this 1 with this numerator value 1, and 5 divided by 5 equals to 1, and 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. So I will subtract 5 and 3. I will get the answer 2/5. So Somu share is 2/5 and Ritu share is 3/5. And if you add these Ritu share and Somu share, you will get the answer 1. That is the total apple. Suppose Ritu's share is 5 and Somu share is 2/5, which we have solved just now. So 3 plus 2 equals to 5, and 5/5 is 1. So this is the total apple. So we have find out the Somu share, that is 2/5. And in the first part we have to find out the Somu share. Now we have to find out who had the larger share. We have to compare these shares, and Ritu share is 3/5. That is they have given, and we have just find out the Somu share, that is 2/5. If you see that the denominator values are same, that is 5, and we have to just compare the numerator values. We have to just compare the numerator values, that is, here it is 3 and Somu share is 2. So Ritu ate more share than Somu share. So Somu ate 2/5 and Ritu ate more than Somu, because Ritu ate 3/5 and Somu ate only 2/5. But we have to find out how much. So in order to find out how much share Ritu ate more than the Somu, we have to subtract these numbers. So difference between their share is 3/5 minus 2/5, and if the denominator values are same, we have to just subtract the numerator. So 3 minus 2 is 1. In this type of condition, we do not require the LCM of denominator values. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So Ritu ate more than Somu by 1/5. Ritu ate 1/5 more than Somu. So our next question is that Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 hour. Means Michael finished to color any picture, and he takes 7/12 hour, and Weber finished in 3/4 hour. We have to find out who worked longer and by what fraction it was longer. So our solution is Michael finished in 7/12 hour and Weber finished in 3/4 hour. So in order to compare these numbers, we will find out who worked longer, but we have to make the denominator same. So how we will make the denominator same? We have to take the LCM of 12 and 4. And when we will take the LCM of 12 and 4, we will get the answer 12. So Weber finished in 3 upon 4 hour. We have to make the denominator value 12, and in order to make the denominator value 12, I have to multiply this 3 by numerator as well as with the denominator, and I got 9 upon 12 hour. It means Weber finishes in 9 upon 12 hour, whereas Michael finished in 7 upon 12 hour. So Weber was worked longer than this Michael. Therefore, Weber worked more than the Michael. And we have to find out by what fraction was it longer. In order to find out this part, we have to subtract their working hours. So difference in their working hours would be 9 upon 12 minus 7 upon 12. And now we have the same denominator values. We have to just subtract the numerator. That is 9 minus 7 is 2. So our answer is 2 upon 10. 2 upon 12, and we will cut with the 2 number, that is 2 1 are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So our answer is 1 upon 6 hours. So this video is completed, and in the next video we will do the second exercise, that is 2.2. So please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and we will do the second exercise of this chapter in the next video.